In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and rotate true north in Revit for accurate site orientation. Before we start, a quick note on why this matters. Project North is the convenient square-to-screen direction you use for drafting and documentation, while True North aligns your model with real-world north for accurate site placement, shadows, and energy analysis. We'll keep your working views clean while making sure the model knows where north truly is. Begin by opening any plan view. A site plan works best because you can see property lines, survey data, and nearby context, but any plan view will do. Once the plan is open, change the view orientation to true north so you can judge the alignment correctly. Look to the view control bar at the bottom of the view, choose orientation, and select true north. This temporarily changes how the view is displayed. You're not rotating anything yet, just telling the view to look at the model in its real-world orientation. Next, go to the Manage tab, open position, and choose Rotate True North. This is the key tool for aligning your model to real-world north. Instead of spinning your drawings around, it rotates the model's internal relationship to north so that sun studies and site coordination are correct. Think of it as setting the compass for the entire project. Now rotate the model to match the actual site angle. If you already know the angle from your survey or civil file, type it in directly. If you don't, you can pick 2 points to define the direction you want to align. A practical tip is to snap along a known edge like a property line or a building grid that you know should point toward true north. Watch the status bar as you work, and if the result looks backwards, simply undo and try again with the opposite angle. Small adjustments are normal, and you can repeat the rotate command until the orientation matches your site data. When you're satisfied with the alignment, switch the view back to Project North if you prefer to keep your working plans orthogonal and easy to read. Return to the view control bar, choose orientation, and select Project North. This does not undo your true north setup, it just restores a drafting-friendly view while the model retains the accurate real-world north in the background. That's it, you've aligned true north, kept your working views clean, and set your project up for reliable site coordination, sun studies, and documentation.